In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Canva using mouse. If you've ever tried to fine tune a design in Canva and felt like everything on the page was just a little too small to work with comfortably, this will make the process much easier. Zooming in properly helps when you're adjusting spacing, checking alignment, or reviewing small design details without straining your eyes. To get started, open your preferred web browser, type canva.com into the address bar, and sign into your account if needed. Once you're on the Canva homepage, move to the top right corner and click Create a Design. This is how you'll open a workspace where you can test and use the zoom controls. When the menu appears, choose the canvas size that fits your project. For example, you can select Presentation for a widescreen layout, or Instagram post if you want a portrait style design. As soon as the blank canvas opens, go to the top menu, click File, then View Settings, and turn on Show Margins. This is optional for visibility, but it can be very helpful because it gives you a clearer sense of spacing while working zoomed in. Now for the main shortcut, if you're using a Windows computer, press and hold the Control key. If you're on a Mac, press and hold the Command key. While keeping that key held down, roll your mouse wheel upward to zoom in. If you want to zoom back out, keep holding the same key and roll the wheel downward. This is one of the fastest ways to control your view without stopping to click through menus. Here's a useful detail that makes this even better. Before you zoom, place your cursor over the exact area you want to inspect, like a text box, image edge, or design element. Then use the same keyboard and mouse combination. Canva will zoom toward the area under your cursor, which gives you much more control and saves time compared to zooming in and then hunting around the canvas. Once you're zoomed in closely, you may want to move around the page without changing the zoom level. To do that, press and hold the spacebar. Your cursor will change into a hand tool. Then click and drag with your mouse to pan across the canvas. When you release the spacebar, you'll return to your normal editing tools. When you're done, zoom back out to review the full design and check that everything is aligned the way you want. If it looks good, go to Share in the top right corner. Click Download, choose PNG as your file